Right, we're rocking and rolling. We'd just like to say thank you very much. We're on £840 for
That's brilliant.
for Joan Osmond's Walkathon. We missed yesterday in respect for Prince Philip passing, which we're quite a patriotic family, so we're a bit sad about that. But he was 99, Mum.
No,
And so you got to be
I loved him so much.
happy that he lived a full life, yeah? But it upset you a little bit, didn't it?
Yeah.
You're a royalist, aren't you, Mummy?
Yeah, Dad was a bit upset too.
Yeah, but Dad's not a royalist. Guess what I am?
That's Dad.
What's that?
Dad is Dad.
Dad is Dad, that's right.
Weird.
He's weird, isn't he? And where's he gone now? He's gone cycling. Where do you think he's gone, Mum?
It's going to see his girlfriend.
Yeah, right. So every time that I come over and walk you, Dad goes out on his bike to see his girlfriend, doesn't he? And his girlfriend apparently is in her 40s. Is that right?
Like that.
Anyway, Mum.
She's gone by our house with a dog, with a dog.
And you've seen her, haven't you?
Yeah.
At this point, I won't bring up any names. Probably time to stop the video, but we're doing really well. Thank you for your donations.